Hey guys, my microphone's broken right now. I'm trying to fix it, so while we wait for that, I think I'm going to put up a few covers on this channel and maybe a couple on my main channel. So for right now, I've wanted to do this for quite a while, so I think we're going to go ahead and have some fun here. Alright. Here we go. Return to the mat. Get 'em what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking out who hit me get up. Thrift shop, pimp strut walking, little bit of humble, little bit of cautious, somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby. Sweater game, nope, y'all can't copy. Yup, bad moonwalking. This here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it our way. Grown music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds, but I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, all my INDEPENDENT shit hustling, chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bussin', halfway across that city with a backpack, fat cat crushing. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.